years ago when the first time I joined Ginoong Lupao 2019. But suddenly, I didn't get the chance to win the crown that year. But as a Ginoo, I always remember that we should allow ourselves to fail in order for us to grow. When the search for Gino't Binibining Lupao 2023 started, I didn't hesitate to join again because I don't want to miss the opportunity of proving myself that I can do more. Passing the screening and being part of the official candidate that year is a great achievement for me. So I worked hard and I did everything that I can do just to prove everyone that I deserve the crown.
Ginoo!
As I stand before you today, preparing to take my final walk as a Ginoong Lupao 2023, I am filled with a whirlwind of emotion. It has been an incredible journey, one filled with laughter, tears, challenges, and triumph. And as I reflect on the past year, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the opportunity to serve alongside such amazing community. To my fellow candidates, thank you for your friendship, your support, and your camaraderie. Together we have shared unforgettable memories and forged bond that will last a lifetime. Each of you has brought something unique to this experience, and I am grateful for the opportunity to have stood beside you on this journey. To my family and my friends, thank you for your unwavering love and support. Your encouragement has been my guiding light, and I am forever grateful for the sacrifices you have made to help me pursue my dreams. And to the community of Lupao, thank you for welcoming me with open arms and embracing me as one of your own. It has been an honor and privilege to represent you as a Ginoong Lupao 2023, and I will cherish the memories we have shared forever. As I prepare to pass on the crown to my successor, I do so with a heart full of gratitude. Though my time as a Ginoong Lupao may be coming to an end, the lesson I have learned and the friendships I have made will always stay forever in me. So here's to new beginnings, to chasing dreams, and to embracing the journey ahead. Thank you, Lupao, for an unforgettable year. And to the next Ginoong Lupao, I wish you all the best as you embark on this incredible adventure. May your reign be filled with joy, laughter, and endless opportunity to make a difference. Muli, ako po si Rainiel James Pastor Santiago, ang inyong Ginoong Lupao 2023. Mabuhay ang bayan ng Lupao. Maraming salamat po.